My name is Steve Jessup. I'm the Business Unit Manager for the NASCAR Next Gen program at Roush Yates Manufacturing Solutions. My role as the Business Unit Manager for the NASCAR Next Gen program is to work with NASCAR, the teams, and the car designer to make sure that we're offering parts that comply with the drawings as intended, and we supply the teams with correct parts in a timely manner. Roush Yates Manufacturing Solutions distributes uprights, anti-roll bar assemblies, shift linkage assemblies, transaxle mounts, and optional hardware and components. Outside of machining, Roush Yates Manufacturing Solutions provides a rebuild service to the Next Gen teams for their uprights. The teams drop the uprights off after a race. We bring them in, we tear them apart, we inspect them, we re-grease them, service them, replace any damaged parts, and get them back to the teams in a timely manner so they can use them on the track again. Roush Yates Manufacturing Solutions ensures traceability of the parts by recording every serial number that goes into our assemblies. The serial numbers are assigned to a part during the machining process. They're laser etched on the part, and they are traced all the way through the manufacturing process and the assembly process all the way to delivery to the customer. In 2022, Roush Yates Manufacturing Solutions was awarded the Next Gen Supplier of the Year award. This award is important to us because it represents all the hard work and dedication that our team has put into this project. We were able to manufacture and assemble thousands of parts for the NASCAR teams at a 0 part failure rate, which is a huge accomplishment.